Hello marketers, welcome to freemarketingmetrics.com. Today we're going to talk about brand awareness. Let's jump in. All right, so what is brand awareness? Brand awareness is a metric that quantifies the familiarity customers have with a brand. So how is brand awareness measured? Brand awareness is measured using quantitative tracking studies. So these are simply like surveys. So you take target customers and you give them surveys. And the surveys ask them a variety of questions from which you can determine aided and unaided awareness. There are a couple different types of brand awareness. Today we're going to get into two: aided awareness and unaided awareness. Let's take a look at each. What is unaided awareness? Unaided awareness is a metric that measures awareness without any type of aid, as the name implies. So there's no stimuli that's given to consumers to help them remember particular brands. To measure unaided awareness, respondents might be asked a question such as, list all of the brands of which you're aware in this particular category. Respondents then have to list, using top-of-mind memory, the brands that they remember.
To calculate unaided awareness, divide the number of survey respondents that list a brand based on top-of-mind recall by the total number of respondents participating in your survey.
Next up, we have aided awareness. Aided awareness is the most commonly used awareness metric by marketers because it gives the best representation and assessment of overall familiarity consumers have with the brand. Unlike unaided awareness, aided awareness gives aids or stimuli to respondents to help jog their memory and assess overall familiarity. A common question that might be asked to measure aided awareness would be something like this: from the list below, please check the brands that you've heard of before. And then they would be presented a list of the brands in that category. Now, generally speaking, because there is aids provided when measuring aided awareness scores and overall metrics are higher than unaided awareness metrics.
To calculate aided awareness, divide the total number of respondents that have indicated that they've heard of a brand on your presented list by the total number of respondents participating in your survey.
So how do marketers use brand awareness? Brand awareness is very important because it's the first step in our marketing funnel. And as we saw in our marketing funnel video, consumers must first achieve one stage before moving to the next marketing funnel stage. So in other words, a consumer cannot consider a brand until he or she actually knows or is aware of the brand. Brand awareness is specifically important because all of the remaining stages in a marketing funnel are reliant on a large quantity of brand awareness. Okay, we hope you enjoyed this video. As always, you can read the full article on freemarketingmetrics.com. Remember to subscribe below, and we'll see you next time.